You ready?
I am.
No, I lost my whole life.
Y'all see that? Do you see how easy he just put that bag on that bike?
Oh, I struck. I was putting on the wrong one at first. It's normally easier than that.
We're gonna talk about that later. Y'all stay tuned for that. But we're gonna continue to get these bikes ready.
Got to have that trusted chair. And that's what time.
Gotta have some good H2O. Oh, this here.
What's up, FNIers?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Y'all, it's hot. It's still hot in Texas.
And we gotta make this video in the sun because Sefco here wanna blast country, you know. Come on, man.
So we're gonna make this real quick, y'all. We about to get on this road. We about to head down to Dallas. Where we going to see?
We're going to undisputed Dallas.
We about to see what these champs are about, okay? But we want to thank y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed this content. Y'all stay tuned. Peace.
Peace.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. die. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
I need some hydration. Tell y'all something. Hold that thought. Whew, hey, all right, y'all, I'm back. We back. We had to get our life together real quick because I thought I was going down fast when I tell you, okay? Hello, let me tell you something, y'all. This ride down here, yeah, this Texas heat ain't no punk. I didn't think I was gonna damn make it, but I did, barely. Hey, what's up? Shit, the heat is what's up.
Motherfucker, heat is
Oh my gosh.
playing.
This heat ain't playing at all.
What's up, man?
Disrespectful. And then where we at? Right back outside. What is we thinking? We hungry. That's what we thinking, y'all. We about to go try to find some food because I am hungry. When we got on that bike coming down here, I was like, yo, I ain't gonna make it. Good thing we only going 2 hours down the road. But let's go find some food, y'all. All right, peace. This how you know the struggle be real. I had to turn back around, y'all, to come get my fan because ladies out there that's in my age, you know, I'm proud of my age, but the age I am, these damn hot flashes ain't no punk. And this heat, woo, y'all. Y'all pray for me, okay? Pray for me. Y'all, I'm so hungry. I ain't even tell y'all what I got. We came down here to a seafood spot. Back to what I was doing now. What's up, folks? Listen here. Welcome back. Let me tell you real quick. So yesterday, hold on. Yeah, I'm recording for y'all. Okay, so listen here. So yesterday we left. We headed down here. We came to Dallas. Hold that thought. I'll be right back. All right, so yesterday we left home. We headed down here to Dallas. We came down here to support Undisputed. It's their first anniversary, but y'all, let me tell y'all, let that bike go by. Let me tell y'all, yesterday, if y'all been following the channel, you see I have ridden in all kind of different weather, rain, monsoons, heat, cold, all of it. But y'all, yesterday I hopped on that bike. I'm sorry, we are by airport and got airplanes coming by. It's gotta be a private one because these have been private jets flying over us. Y'all, but yesterday when I hopped on that bike, listen, ice, yesterday, ice rode itself down here. I was just on it because when I hopped on that bike, like, something was not right. I don't know what it was. Like, I was famished. I was dehydrated. I was lightheaded. I ain't have no business riding that bike. But I was like, you know what? Jesus, take the wheel. We made it down here. Hopped off that bike. Came in, just started drinking. I had water with me. I was drinking water. I've been doing better drinking my water. I had water on the bike, but it's just something wrong yesterday. So I thank God that we made it here. I didn't even tell the husband what was going on. He didn't even know until we got here, and I was like, shit, it's hot. But that was the thing. It was 105 degrees here yesterday. And we are under a heat index. We ain't had no business being on these bikes, but you know, this is what we love to do. So we're gonna do what it do, and we're gonna hop on these things, and we're gonna make it happen. And we're gonna bring y'all with us. So we appreciate y'all. Again, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. But we are down here for Undisputed. They have a daytime party today. Something going on tonight. I got my girls on the way. So it's about to be a movie. So y'all stay tuned, and I'm gonna bring y'all along. All right, peace. How you feeling?
What's on that? Supreme? Supreme. We got a family.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Feeling cool in this AC at the moment.
How was your ride coming out yesterday?
Hot.
Tell people about it.
Hot.
How hot did it get?
105.
And you kept reminding me, and why?
So you gotta drink water. You gotta hydrate.
Oh my gosh. Y'all, it was horrible. Horrible.
It was only 2 hours. So
Yes, but that was a long 2 hours.
short suffering.
I suffered yesterday. I suffered in peace though. Did I tell you what was going on? See, I told y'all. I didn't tell him.
But once we got here, she caught up. Let me tell you about all the stuff I wanted to tell you about.
That's probably why you
But
were early.
today is a new day. It's a new day. New day.
We're gonna get in this here.
Yeah, when he only getting wherever I can get in the shade.
Already, because it's hot.
Because I am not stepping in that sun if I ain't got to. It's hot out here. We're here early, so it's like a little laziness. Do we go somewhere? Do we not go somewhere? That's the question. We'll let y'all know in a minute.
Back out here in this heat.
Still hot. It didn't change. But a few more bites.
Yes. Ooh, hold on. Y'all, I got some people here with me. Not the guys, they always here. But I got some people here with me. And I'm gonna show y'all who these people are. I don't know where the hell they want to go park at, but, oh, over here. I got some people here, y'all. Let me show y'all.
Girl, you had me in the TV this morning. I was like, oh my God. What's up?
They made it, y'all. They made it.
We outside.
We outside. We outside. All right, all right. All right, y'all. We about to try to get in these treats just for a little bit. Cause we hungry. We ain't ate nothing all day. Well, actually. All right, so let me call these ladies real quick and let them know that we about to go get food. All right. Y'all, we found the Thai restaurant. We about to see what this about, okay? What you get?
I think I'm gonna get pad thai.
Wait, what's that?
Hold on. And some Thai fried rice.
Wait, what's the pad thai?
It's just rice and eggs and all the rice.
Oh, I think I might try that.
And then either make one, but yeah.
Okay, okay. I might try some pad thai, y'all. Oh, thank you. But let me show y'all. We got a whole table of folks.
Your cheerleader over here said, go on get that socket. That should have clear your cold.
Gotta clear cold. Okay.
Take a whole lot of lemon. That's what it is.
How your chest is?
Chest good. The throat is definitely clear. Sinuses and everything else.
Got going on there.
Putting this crushed pepper on here.
Hey, your booty hole gonna be on fire.
Not when you're used to it. That'd be for the new folks.
Ooh, so that's awesome.
Damn, look for me.
I'm waiting on my. Oh, this food here. Yeah. Yeah. Oh! Yo, my situational awareness, I'm working on that, okay? All right, y'all, so it's the nighttime. It's the nighttime, and we about to get in these streets. Oh, y'all. We about to get in these streets, y'all. We about to go see what Undisputed is all about, okay? Y'all see the bikes back there. Y'all see it. Kickstands up. You heard them. You heard them say kickstands up. We ready. Except tonight. I'm caging it tonight, okay? Because I got my girls down here with me. I'm waiting on their asses to get downstairs because I told them 9:30. It's time to go. Anyways, y'all stay tuned. We're going to take y'all along for this. Well, I would say ride, but we're going to take y'all along for this little trip right around the corner. Stay tuned, y'all. Peace. You ready?
I am. Let's go. Put the pedal to the metal. You done heard it before on navigation.
Already. Already. All right, y'all. The bikes are out. The people are coming.
What's up?
It's time to go. Oh, don't.
I didn't bring mine today.
Oh, man.
I'm gonna be on y'all, man. What's going on, y'all? How y'all doing?
Y'all know who that is.
Yeah.
For a reason.
Look, KT killing the spoons. It's all the same, man. It's still that dude. How y'all doing, man?
There you go.
What's up? Fire nice.
We was asking about y'all.
Yeah.
What's up, man? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm ready to get this 1 mile in. High sit still, you know what I'm saying?
Where mama at?
I don't know. I lost my whole life.
You know what? I'm not gonna play with you. I'm gonna need you to find her, please.
I got a phone. You like my football helmet?
You ready? You ready?
You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
Say that old school football, yeah.
Oh, here she come. Here she come. I found her. Y'all see her? Here she come. There you go. I was wondering where you was at. You cute.
Thank you.
Okay, hold on. Wait, let's get a picture. Oh, we good? Okay, y'all, we about to go. I'm trying to get them rolled out, but they ain't rolled up yet. weekend has came to an end. It is time to load the bike up. The guys here waiting on us. We came, we saw y'all, and we enjoyed ourselves. But now, about to load this bike up and get our butts home. It's about to be another hot one out here. Some people already left. Look at that. You see how that just fogged up from. Anyways, like I was saying, it's time to load this bike up, y'all. Let's get it. Now, I'm gonna show you how I load mine up. Oh shit! God damn it! I'm gonna show you how I load mine up, and then with when hubby come to load his up, I'm gonna show you how easy his is. I'm gonna either get me a Rick Rack. If you watching this, hey, help a sister out. I need that bag in his life, in my life. All right, let's go. I mean, even though the little system I have, it's not that bad, but a Rick Rack is so much better. So much better. That thing should be on there, y'all. All right, let's go get some breakfast. There too, maybe. All right, y'all. I just want y'all to watch how easy his shit go on. Y'all saw me, now let's watch him.
We done already.
Sure.
Don't even know it.
Y'all see me, put it on, had to put my bungee straps on. Look at this fool.
Yeah.
This is why I need one of these bags, y'all.
Yeah. Who brought me this bag?
Oh, well, you ain't on the other way.
Yeah, no,
There. Y'all, normally, it was a late night, even a little quicker than this.
Oh yeah, Norman's straight on. Tighten up. And let's go. Put the pedal to the metal.
You know what? I'm done. I'm done with him, y'all. But we came, we saw.
We conquered, we sweated.
Man, and we still sweating. But we about to sweat it out, y'all, and head back down the road. So y'all know what it is. Y'all stay tuned. Peace.
Peace.
I can never eat y'all right before we get ready to get on the road. Then I'd be on the road, be mad as hell because these niggas don't want to stop. And be mad at myself.
Don't worry about it. I'm gonna eat for you.
No, please do, and thank you. I appreciate it. Whew. Y'all, it's a hot box already. We should have left at 6 o'clock in the morning with the first crew, but hey, we gonna pay for it today. It's all good. That bike road itself down here, hopefully it do the same thing, do its job, and get me back home, y'all. All right, we about to be on the ground. Take it there.
Like,
All right, y'all, we covered. It's time to ride.
some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh.
All right, y'all, we made it back to the house. Woo!
Made it.
And it only got to 95. Well, no, what did it get to? Weatherman?
It got to 98. I thought it would be 99 when we got here, but it's 95. Ooh, that cold front.
It actually, I didn't die coming back home. And I rode the bike. The bike didn't ride me. But went to Dallas, hung out, supported Undisputed, the champs. They did that. And guess what? We did it too, because we made it back home safely.
Yes, indeed. That's what it's all about, making it back.
All right, y'all. Y'all know the drill. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And we appreciate y'all. Till the next time. Peace.
Peace.